Hello, Dr. Brady and Ms. Cunningham. Today I'll be introducing 3 questioning and management strategies. To begin, what are questioning strategies? Questioning strategies, by definition, are specifically designed ways to help an instructor ask questions to the class in order for the class to better understand the material. Basically, the teacher is using specifically formed and worded questions for the class to better grasp the concept, as well as be more comfortable answering and asking more questions. Next, what are management strategies? Management strategies are different techniques used to guide and direct the class to obtain a specific goal. Basically, this is how a teacher may run his or her classroom or how the classroom is organized. Now we'll dive into specific examples of these different types of rules, and we'll begin with management. Management rule number 1, print and document rules. This is extremely important in a classroom because students are able to come in and visualize the rules. One, that helps students understand and memorize these rules more important, and also know that the teacher holds these rules in high regard in his or her classroom. Management rule number 2, using nonverbal communication. Examples of this are mainly signals that a teacher would have his or her students use, such as one finger up, meaning I have to use the restroom, and so on and so forth. Communication like this limits sound in the classroom, having a more organized and quiet classroom. Management rule number 3, giving out extrinsic motivation. This also varies from classroom to classroom, whether different classrooms have titles such as line leader and things like that, or if a school has school currency where you're able to cash it in for rewards such as cool pencils or something like that. It's motivation away from the classroom that students actually get to grasp, which basically helps students perform. Next, we'll move on to questioning strategy. So questioning strategy number 1, free recall questioning. This is the hardest type of questioning, where a teacher will ask a very direct question with a very direct answer, such as, what is the capital of a state? It is the hardest type of questioning, but it's also the best way to understand that a student has grasped the concept. Questioning strategy number 2, guided questioning. Basically, this is a teacher walking hand in hand with the student in the form of questioning, helping them to get from point A to point B. So this is used more in the learning phase, where students are just learning new material or getting a new concept, and they're able to grasp material as the teacher moves with them. And then questioning strategy number 3, group problem-solving questions. This is a very fun type of questioning where the teacher will give a scenario, and then students will be able to work in groups in order to solve the problem. This helps students work on teamwork as well as problem-solving, being able to tackle 2 things at once. So, some thoughts to discuss. Why are teaching strategies such as questioning and management important in the classroom? Well, for one, it's very important because it helps the organization, it helps the classroom move smooth. It helps the class move smoothly and be able to go from one goal to another. Next, what is your favorite type of teaching strategy? Personally, I like guided questions as well as group work. And then finally, is there a specific type of categorical strategies that you value more than the other? Personally, I believe that management strategies would, I guess, be a little more important than questioning strategies in the classroom, just because management strategies have to do every single day, having an organized classroom and having your students able to, helping them perform. And then closing statement. Through this presentation, I've tried to explain questioning and management strategies and why they're so important in the classroom and why teachers have to have these in order to have a smooth classroom. Thank you for watching.